Welcome into the channel. This video is part 1 of 2. I know that your time is valuable, so I went ahead and split this video so that it wouldn't be so long. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here you see my ingredients that I am using, and they are listed in the description box. To my coconut oil, I've added my onions. I have my chopped garlic and my red bell peppers. I'm going to saute this until it is tender. I'm next going to go ahead and add in my seasonings. Simply blending them all together here. And I'm going to start out adding a teaspoon at a time. Taste it and see if I need to actually use a little bit more or not. I always say that it's better to add 2 because you cannot take away once it's in there. So I'm going to work my way up and see what we have. Alrighty, these have sauteed down, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1 cup of coconut milk. I have 1 cup of chicken broth I'm adding to it. Going to stir this in and mix it in well. I tasted it and decided that I wanted to go ahead and use the remainder of my seasonings. Stir that in, and then I tasted again and decided that I needed to add more salt, so I'm adding a little bit more salt, Creole seasoning, and black pepper I decided to add. And again, the exact measurements that I'm using I will have listed down below in the description box. Alrighty, I'm now adding in my rice. I've already washed it. And I'm using basmati rice. Stirring it in. And then I'm going to add to it my bunnet pepper. Cover and let it simmer until it is done. And here we go. After 15 minutes on low simmer, this is what we have. And I'm gently lifting so that I don't break any of the grains. And this is the end result. Alrighty, this is it for part 1, and I will see you on the flip side.